Hey everyone, you're welcome back to my channel, guys. How are you guys doing and how is your day? Okay, so in today's video I'm gonna be introducing to you a disease fighting drink. Now, a drink that would actually keep you away from falling sick. You're going to be healthy. Do you know that there are some food that you eat that replace medicine into your body? Okay, instead of taking medicine as food, why not take this food as medicine? And it is so superb. I love it. I love it so much. Okay guys, so let me show you all of the ingredients and how you're gonna prepare it and how you're gonna take it. Yeah, let me take you right into this video. Don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share, and let's go. Okay guys, so you're aiming to fight that disease and never fall sick, get a quality health. Guys, you're gonna be needing this. Okay, I know you are actually know this and you've probably been using it, you know, like once in a month or once in a week and thereabout. Now, to prevent the illness and fight disease, you need this, and this is lettuce. Okay, lettuce is actually used in making salad and coleslaw and all of that. You know, depending on how you want your salad to be, you can actually use lettuce, or your coleslaw you can equally use lettuce. Okay, so you're gonna be grabbing some of your lettuce, and this part of it is very important. Make sure that you get it in. Okay, so I'm taking just few of this lettuce, okay, for just, you know, few 1 or 2 glasses of this drink. And for you to fight disease, okay, you have to wash off your, you know, ingredients that you're actually using. Okay, so you don't be like, okay, you want to fight disease but yet you're getting in more disease into your body, because the germs and all of that contains in all of this leaf is there. So you can actually use apple cider vinegar, or you can actually use the normal white vinegar, you know, to just put it in and, you know, wash the lettuce. Or you basically just use salt. I use salt basically to, you know, do that. So what you do is that you cut your lettuce, which you can actually just chew the lettuce this way or eat it this way. Like we eat it a whole lot in my home, because I make sure that, you know, my kids eat a whole lot of vegetables. Okay guys, so since I can't afford to use a big blender, I'm actually going to using the small one. Okay, so let's hope it blends, and I'm gonna be showing you all of the ingredients one after another. Just a few, you know, blending here and there, and it's ready basically. So you don't actually have to blend it for too long. Okay, okay, so after that, then you have to sieve it all out. And this is our very green lettuce juice. Okay, so the next ingredient, which is actually very important, and it is a blood supplying drink. This actually gives you a whole lot of blood. this is garden egg. Okay, so we're going to equally be washing the garden egg. Okay, so after washing, then we would have to cut this. Okay guys, so it is actually very important you use garden egg. Okay, I actually didn't tell you guys the name of this, vegetables. It is called garden egg. Okay, you have to use the green garden egg for this, okay, because it helps so much. All right, so it helps to supply blood to the body. Yeah, so after doing that, we're going to put in just a little water. And then we're going to blend it out. We blend. It's not showing red anymore. Okay, so after which blend it. Now for this particular ingredient, guys, you can actually choose not to sieve it out because there are a whole lot of goodness, and the vegetables are very ideal. You can actually grab the garden egg and then you chew it. Now if you are actually an unexpected mommy, or you are actually pregnant already, okay, you have to always eat garden egg, okay, because when you're pregnant, your baby needs a whole lot of vegetables, and you need this lettuce and this garden egg a whole lot. So there I have my garden egg, and I'll be needing this, and this is bitter cola. Now guys, when I was actually living with my grandmom, we actually used to incorporate bitter cola into our weekly routine. Okay, so you basically just eat one bitter cola every week, to stay away from illness. Okay, literally. So you have to put in bitter cola into your drink. Okay, so we're gonna be cutting it in pieces, and after which we're going to be transferring it to the bowl. Okay, since this is actually not too much, I'm gonna be introducing another ingredient. And yeah guys, for you to stay healthy, fight disease, you're going to also be needing garlic. So garlic actually helps so much to fight disease. It removes cold, and it cures a whole lot of numerous health challenges. Okay, so you're going to be needing some few of this garlic cloves. And then you peel it up. Well, in this garlic, you can actually put as much garlic as you possibly can, guys, because man, garlic is actually a whole lot of medicine. And also the bitter cola that I initially introduced to you guys. Yeah, so after doing that, then you would have to equally wash it. Yeah, so here I have my garlic, and I'm going to be putting that in. Okay, so we're going to be putting just a little water to blend this up. Okay, so after which we blend this, then we have to sieve it out. Well, if you don't sieve the garlic and ginger out, it's going to be, very pepperish, because taking garlic and bitter cola, guys. Sorry, not garlic and ginger, garlic and bitter cola. Okay, so you have to sieve it out. Okay, otherwise it's gonna be a little too bitter for the drink. So here I have my garlic and bitter cola. So we're equally going to be needing ginger for this. Now, because ginger is a fighting disease agent, it helps to remove cold. So if you're actually having catarrh, cough, cold, flu, and all of that stuff, guys, you need to always use ginger. So this is ginger, and for this you can use as many as you possibly can. Now you can also blend all of this together. Okay, now the essence why I'm blending them one after another is so that to be more detailed and more clear, so that you know which ingredients I'm actually putting and which ingredients I've actually not put. Yep, so I have 5 ingredients that we've actually used already, and I'm blending the ginger. Okay, so we're done blending, and I'm super excited for this drink, because when you take this drink, you're not going to fall sick. When you actually cultivate the habit of drinking this, guys, trust me on this, you're not going to be falling sick anyhow, up and down, any little thing, you fall sick, fever and all of that. So this is my ginger, garlic and bitter cola. This is my lettuce, and this is garden egg. Okay, so we're actually going to be turning all of the amazing greeny juice and vegetables into this, and this is okay. So after which you put that in, stir it very well, and you see how it is. Now I actually love to remove the foaminess of any drink that I'm gonna be drinking. I'll just love to remove the foamy parts at the top. Well, I know that the foamy part is actually very good, but I just love to remove it. So this is our disease fighting drink. It helps so much to fight all of the disease, and you are never ever going to get sick like chicken. Like, you're not going to be getting sick, okay, if you drink this at most 2 times or 3 times in a week, just a little glass and you're good to go. Okay, and this is actually going to help you stay away from sickness. It's going to help to boost your immunity, and it's going to help you fight any disease. So you're not going to be contracting any disease just like that. Okay, so let me have a take of this. This is really yummy. Wow, I wasn't expecting it to be this nice. Okay, the bitter cola flavor is everything, guys. Okay, it tastes really nice. Like, you need to go try this. Yeah, it tastes really nice and I love it. Okay, so you have to drink this at most 3 times in a week or 2 times in a week. Just fight those disease and, you know, stay away from disease and never fall sick, and literally just stay healthy and you are good to go. So good luck, guys, as you try this. All of the ingredients in here are natural and they are very friendly and healthy for the body. It helps so much, so give me a thumbs up. Okay guys, so that's it. This disease fighting drink, it's amazing and I love it. I actually would love to be taking this because I personally I don't want to get sick. Okay guys, so if you don't want to get sick, guys, take this because it is a disease fighting drink and you're gonna be loving every bit of it. Okay, so you can actually make it and store it, okay, and you continue, you know, taking it. Yeah, so that's it. If you do enjoy watching this video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share and hit on that bell. Okay, and I'll see you again. Bye guys. Bye.